Around the globe, nations are ramping up investments in semiconductor manufacturing. Governments are recognizing the strategic importance of semiconductors. From supply chain security to geopolitical stability, semiconductors are at the core. Countries like the US, Korea, and the EU are making historic investments, launching programs totaling in billions upon billions of dollars. These programs aren't just funding. They're shaping the global semiconductor ecosystem with new manufacturing sites, R&D investments, and talent development efforts. Officials recognize that semiconductors are more than products. They're a crucial part of national security and economic strength. In the US and EU, historic programs like the CHIPS Act are laying foundations for future fabs and aiming to reduce reliance on external regions. In East Asia, countries like Japan and South Korea are strengthening their core capabilities to stay leaders in key areas. New players like Malaysia and Vietnam are emerging as neutral manufacturing sites, tapping into global investment flows. Alongside manufacturing, governments are prioritizing R&D, advancing in AI, smart manufacturing, autonomy, and cybersecurity. To support these ambitions, nations are focusing on building a skilled workforce. Programs in the US, EU, Japan, and India are developing the next generation of talent. While each region is investing in its own semiconductor future, this global ecosystem relies on collaboration and interconnectedness. At Advantest, we support the semiconductor industry's growth and resilience through cutting-edge test and measurement solutions, because innovation deserves precision.